Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You have your editor and RAW file open. Begin immediately by duplicating the background layer so you never lose original data. Once done, add a pure black fill layer underneath to establish the dark canvas, and set your working layer to normal at 100% to see baseline contrast. You want room to pull shadows down without clipping highlights, so switch the working layer to a non-destructive adjustment, curves or levels, and prepare a layer mask for targeted edits. Now you darken with precision. Add a curves adjustment and gently lower midtones about 1/2 to 1 stop, keeping the curve lift near highlights so they don't clip. Once applied, create a luminosity mask or use blend if to protect bright areas, and paint the mask where detail must remain. Then selectively desaturate problematic hues by 10 to 30% to avoid color casts in shadows, and use a soft brush at low opacity to refine transitions so the dark look feels natural, and finish by adding a subtle vignette and very light grain to anchor the image in low light. These small touches sell the dark mode aesthetic. Once done, export both an sRGB JPEG for web and a high-quality PNG for apps, then preview on multiple devices set to dark mode to confirm appearance. If things go wrong, make one key fix. If blacks crush and lose detail, slightly lift the shadow endpoint or reduce the curve pull and refine masks. This preserves texture while keeping the overall darkness intact.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.